exciting. But we also have a special delivery. And because there's a lot of demonstrators around the world that haven't got theirs yet, we thought we will record our opening and then post a little bit later. So this is after the fact. But we thought it would be exciting to share it with you guys. Because I haven't seen all of it properly yet. I kind of saw a little bit on Instagram and I was like, oh, I don't really want to look, but I'm looking.
But that's okay, because those demonstrators were very excited as well.
Yeah, totes.
We share their excitement.
Yeah.
Excuse me, we can't see you opening.
Oh, yeah, true. Okay, ready? I've got my little tag here. Love that sound. So, we'll open it up here.
Da, da, da. Ooh, it's a bag inside a bag. Can I open this one?
Yeah, you open this
Woo!
one.
It
so,
says,
yes.
Bertucci Kylie Joe Achiever. Guest, Bruno Bertucci. Okay.
We're going to Alaska.
Alexa.
Yeah, Bruno calls it Alexa.
I feel like Alexa.
Yeah, Alexa would be very nice.
I have to rip it, sorry.
I'll let you. You could have used snips. It would have been a lot neater.
Are you ready?
Yep. Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun.
Ah!
That's really cute. I don't think I saw that. It's got some tassels. Jessie will be loving that. Bit of ribbon. Okay, let's open it up.
Open it so you can see that.
All right,
yeah.
open. I don't think it's going to open though for me if I do it that way. It's locked. It's locked, Bruno. It's not letting us in. Oh, I think there's something jammed there. Oh, I'm glad you're on this video because I might need manpower to open this one. See if you can open it.
Oh yeah, there's the book inside.
Yes. There was a reason we had Bruno here on our Facebook Live today, so that I can continue to chat to you while we open the...
We'll edit all this out.
No, this is fun. Do not edit this bit out. This is called hashtag keeping it real. And see, you opened it, so it's good. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Here we go. Wow. So, what is this one? Cruising Adventure Book.
Look at this.
Oh, it sits.
So that can go on the counter and on the cruise.
That's really cool.
That's very cool. You notice that?
Yeah, that's very cool. So what little goodies has it got inside here? So, what's that one? Our service project. And it's got really cool things here. Into the forest go to lose my mind and find my soul. I thought that said John Mayer.
John Muir. I like that.
Yeah, it's very cool, isn't it?
Everyone go and put that in the product sandbox. We'll make a stamp out of that.
Yeah, I really like that. It actually looks a bit like Sean Douglas. So we've got our introduction, and then it looks like we've got cool quotes on every page here. The skyline is etched in my veins. You can never put that out, no matter how hard it rains. Oh, that's nice. And then it's got all our details of what we're doing. Day 1.
That's in Seattle, by the way. There.
Ah, so it's to do with each day where we are. I like it. Welcome reception. That's on the first day, 4:30 to 5:30.
Wow.
Demonstrators, first guests and additional guests who have registered get to go to the 2018 Trip Achievers as we kick off the cruise with live music,
wow,
socialising and treats. That sounds fun. We love a bit of dancing. I feel like dancing.
I want to be dancing.
Oh, you're doing the Kylie one.
That's on the commercial that we watched.
And then there's like a Stampers based camp.
What's a Stampers base camp, Kylie?
I think that's like the recognition room. Well,
Yes.
No, what do they call it?
It's where everyone
Recognition
hangs out.
lounge.
You can do all those You can win prizes.
It's really cool.
You drop off swaps, things like that.
And everyone sort of mingles, and we have lots of samples that you can take photos of. It's a really cool. So it says, this is Information Central. Oh, nice cup, Bruno.
It's a magic cup.
Is it? And it says, have a question, or do you want to win some Stampin' Up products? And usually it's new products that we win too. And you can see the members of the corporate team and the board of directors. I always like pick the brain of the board of directors.
This is what we want.
What is your specialty? What's your specialty?
IT. Oh.
And when they say IT, I'm like, right, I'm on you. What's going on? Tell me all, board of director.
I didn't just pick my nose. I was scratching my nose just in case anyone saw that.
Sure, pick your nose. So yes, so there's lots of cool things said. We're eager to chat, catch up, help you with anything you need, and to drop off your swap as well as your backpack donations for the service project.
Now, speaking about the service project,
yes.
I was just reading this.
Yes.
So, as you're getting ready to go on your Alaskan adventure, we wanted to remind you of the service project we've organised in case you'd like to participate. I've made the executive decision. We're going to participate.
Excellent. I'm glad.
This project will benefit the Alaska chapter of the Make-A-Wish and the Puget Sound chapter of Big Brothers Big Sisters.
Aww.
We're collecting backpacks for kids and teens. And so there's a list of things on both of those, one for children and one for teens.
Nice.
And you get a backpack, put all that stuff in it. And
I know where you're going.
What?
Where are you going to get the backpack, Bruno?
Kmart.
I love how it's like, no brainer. Go to Kmart, of course. I can see really cool backpacks there, so that'll be good. So what have we got here?
Day 2 general session.
I wanted freedom, open air adventure, and I found it on the sea. So this is when we get onto the sea. So we have a general session. Oh, this is a different one to the welcome party.
There's a welcome party and a general session.
Wow. So we'll have a catalogue reveal, holiday catalogue, product giveaways. Doors open at 9:30 a.m. So it starts at 10 a.m. We'll be there at probably 5 to 10. We'll roll in after breakfast. And then the Stampers Base Camp will be open all day. So that's really
Alaskan
good.
foods to try before you die.
Ooh.
Caribou chill. Alaskan... Oh, I can't read it.
But I'll just show you it so they can see it too. Okay, read it now.
We've had halibut. We've had halibut.
Yeah, halibut was
Alaskan
delicious.
king crab legs. Moose steak. Is that real moose?
Ew.
Reindeer burger.
Ew.
Oysters. Tried that. Halibut tacos.
Bruno's in for that. Fish tacos, but
Rainbow
with halibut.
sausage stir fry. Copper River salmon. French peppered steak. Bucket of butt. Oh, no, not butt. It's halibut.
It says crazy name, we know, but it's really delicious local halibut. This time I didn't feel like I had, last time I didn't have much of the salmon, so I really need to have some salmon this time. And do you remember where we had our chowder, Bruno?
Yes.
I am dying for that chowder. I'm dreaming about that chowder. It was Juneau?
It was in the port on Juneau.
And it had and that was where you had halibut, wasn't it?
Yes.
You had the fish and chips. And it was in this like
Let
bread
me say, the
bowl.
most amazing fish and chips
Oh, it was so good.
Probably the most expensive.
Yeah,
fish
probably,
and chips
true. But it was in like a bread bowl, and it was seafood chowder. And, it was so good. It had halibut all through it, and amazing. So yes, we're looking forward to the food. What have we got next? Juneau. So this is really good. We've got some really cool places here. They've got some ideas of what we could see, where we could go. So that's nice. We'll be able to study a bit of that. Restaurants to try.
We should go on the tramway.
Yeah, we didn't do that last time, did we?
We might have some time in the afternoon.
Yeah, we're doing the Alaskan Beer Brewery tour. Because it's a very, very cool. We did it last time we were in Alaska.
Only available in North America,
yeah.
Alaskan beer.
Yeah.
And it was spectacular.
Yeah. And it's a really cool story. I like the story behind it, how this couple...
Google it.
The husband had no job, and then he made beer, and then she trusted him and put all their investment into this business, and it took off. I'm sure it's been a lot of hard work, though. But anyway, it's really good beer, too.
Yukon.
So this one here, this is once you have travelled, the voyage never ends, but is played out over and over again in the quietest chambers. The mind can never break off from the journey. It's very true. We have lots of memories. So there's lots of cool things that we can do there. Oh, they've got a Skagway Brewing Company. There you go, another beer place.
No, please.
So this one is the Tracy Arm Fjord. This was stunning.
No, we didn't go there.
Oh, we didn't do this one. Oh, it wasn't the glacier?
No. So this is an interesting stop. The ship stops at 7 a.m. and then leaves at 12 p.m. So it's only a very short time. So we might not have much. Well, it says head out to your cabin balcony or up to the ship's deck to watch all the scenery as we pass through the fjord for the next few hours. So
we'll probably be able to see. We should get binoculars.
We've got a balcony.
Or I could do what what's her name does on America's Got Talent. I'll go like that. We'll stand on the balcony like
Heidi
that.
Klum.
Heidi Klum. She's always like this. And she's like, why do you do that? Because it keeps me less distracted when I'm watching the show.
I feel like I'm a... what are they called?
Minion.
Minion.
So yes, but it would be really good. I'm sure your dad's got like 100 binoculars somewhere. We'll have to ask him. Do you have a bbinocular, Dad? Then he'll go, oh, binoculars. I haven't got binoculars. I need 10 of them. I need 10 of them.
Binoculars, Bruno.
Oh, so this one is cruising.
So we're at sea that day.
At sea, that's nice. I like sea days.
What is 10 to 11:30?
10 to 11:30
p.m.
late night dessert buffet. And I'm trying to be good. Seriously, how am I going to do it? I think I have to give up on the cruise.
Wow.
I have to just
come and enjoy a delicious selection of desserts while you say farewell to your stamping friends.
Oh, is this the last day? It's the last day.
No. There's still one more day.
Oh, yeah.
I think.
Well, the seventh day is always... Oh, yeah, Victoria too. Oh, well, it's sort of a semi-goodbye. So that's nice.
You tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you in the morning. And day 7, yeah, Victoria. So we've got 9 till 6 p.m.
Now, there's one thing that we want to do in Victoria. We want to go to Butchart Gardens.
We didn't see that last time.
We didn't see it. We were young back then, and Kylie's mum said, "You've got to go to Butchart Gardens, Kylie and Bruno." And we were
You sounded like Mum's sister, not Mum. You sound
we
like Roy.
Oh, gardens, how annoying. But now that's the only thing
now we want to go
see.
there. Yeah. Is it on here on the list of things to do? No.
We've been to Victoria's Capitol building. Fisherman's Wharf. Yeah, that's where the Empress Hotel is.
Yes, and we went there. That was very nice.
We had high tea there.
No, we didn't have high tea.
No, we had...
I looked at high tea and went, that's ridiculous. Let's just go to the restaurant and have one cake. And we had... what did we have?
Do you remember what we had?
Was it a lemon rice?
Panna cotta in 3 ways, and one of them was lavender.
Yes. It tasted like...
No, creme brulee, not panna cotta. Same thing.
Creme brulee, yeah. And it tasted like something from the drawer of my underwear. You know, they're scented. Scented diffusers. Lavender should not be in food. I'm sorry. It should be in soap, but not food.
And then?
The end. We're back in Seattle. We've got a couple of days in Seattle after that with some friends.
What else is in here, Kylie?
I don't know. You'll have to show me, Bruno. You'll have to open it and have a look. Oh, listen to those naughty doggies. They're probably like, where are Mum and Dad?
Actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. You can go check.
Let me just go and check.
You can go check. And then here are the amazing luggage tags. And here are some more luggage tags. Here we come, Alaska. So we're very excited about this. Very, very excited. And name tags. Bruno and Kylie. Yay. And they look so pretty.
Oh, whoops.
Is
sorry.
everything all right? Yeah. Oh, you knocked the... Who was it?
No one.
What? They were just barking for no reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I put them there. I showed them. I went like this. You want to wear it? Well, that is our Alaska pack. I hope you enjoyed our little reveal. We're very excited. How many days? How many sleeps, Bruno?
I don't know.
It's actually very soon. We're almost at the end of June. I think it's about 3 weeks. Are you right there? Yeah, they saw it. I already showed them.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's us. Over and out. We're very excited to be cruising. Yeah, hang them there. Can they hang on there? I'm sure they can. Loop it around your ears. And this can be our opening scene. Do you like our opening photo? All right. See you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in Alaska.
See you in Alaska. We'll show you photos. Even
And
if you're not there, you'll
look out on
see
this channel. We'll have our highlights videos. So
Yes.
subscribe wherever you click, and make sure you get it.
We'll put them everywhere.
Okay.
They'll pop everywhere. Bye.
Bye.